Oh, hey there. Welcome to the human body. I am a macrophage, and I'm a part of a team called the immune system. You might be wondering what the job of the so-called immune system is, so I'll have my friend here answer that for you.
The immune system is the human body's defense force ranging from diseases, foreign invaders, and infections. There are two main branches to the immune system: the innate immune system and the adaptive immune system.
I am a T cell, one of the main defenders in the adaptive immune system. My job is to enter the bloodstream and eliminate the pathogen that entered the body and remember the pathogen to adapt to it if it ever enters again. Some of my fellow coworkers include B cells, T helper cells, and cytotoxic cells. We make up the adaptive immune system that is specialized forces of the immune system. Although we act slower, we are highly specialized cells that provide protection and information on pathogens for the rest of your life. The skin is a part of our immune system. It acts as a brick or wall that protects us from the outside threats. It also locks in moisture in the body. Think of it as a brick and mortar, where the skin is the bricks and lipids are the fat. A helper T cell's job is to coordinate the immune system. They do not directly attack pathogens or infected cells. However, they act as the immune system's alarm and control center. They send out signals to help other cells identify what is bad and where the pathogens are. When they activate, they multiply rapidly, releasing chemical messengers to send to the cells. B cells are another core component of the adaptive immune system. Their function is to protect the body from infections and diseases. They recognize foreign invaders and produce targeted antibodies towards them. This helps to maintain long-term memory against these diseases and form antibodies they can use for the rest of their lives. Their functions are to produce antibodies, to present the antigen, to memorize the antigen for the certain pathogen, and to secrete cytokine. Macrophages are the cleanup crew and a part of the first line of defense for the immune system. They come from white blood cells and patrol this tissue to destroy and eat harmful invaders. They clear out dead cells, and release signals that promote inflammation or tissue healing. Phagocytosis, or cell eating, is when they engulf pathogens and digest them, such as bacteria, viruses, cancer cells, or cellular debris. This is to keep tissues clean and prevent infection. They also present antigens. This is to display pieces of an invader and to act as an alert system to other immune cells, such as the T cell. Macrophages are also used when the body has to repair itself, and they help to repair damaged tissue, clear away dead blood cells, recycle iron, and remodel tissue after an injury heals. Sneezing or coughing is another thing in the immune system. It is an involuntary defense mechanism that uses the air from your lungs to exhale, to expel things such as dust, smoke, bacteria, or viruses from your nose. This is the same for coughing. The immune system maintains homeostasis by keeping out pathogens and internal threats like cancer. We act as the buffer to neutralize threats to the body and keep healthy cells safe while killing the bad cells or pathogens. The human body and its systems are a team, and the immune system is just one of the players. We work together to make sure we take care of the body. A part of the body we work with is the circulatory system. We use the heart and veins to traverse through the bodies to find pathogens and eliminate them. The veins act as our highway, and the heart is what pumps us through. We also work with the nervous system. They send us signals to indicate breaches in the skin barrier, and we respond with white blood cells if there are any foreign body that enters.
Disorder that can affect the immune system is multiple sclerosis. This disease affects the immune system by causing it to attack the sheath that protects nerve fibers connected to the brain. Another disease that affects the immune system is HIV. This attacks CD4 T cells that can develop into AIDS, and this causes severe malfunctions in the immune system, leaving it unable to properly fight off viruses, bacteria, parasites, and fungi.